In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text size in Carrd, a simple and effective platform for building one-page websites. Whether you're adding the finishing touches to your personal web page or creating a standout profile, knowing how to adjust text sizes can be crucial to maintaining that professional, visually appealing look. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to head over to carrd.co. If you haven't already done so, log into your account. This will give you access to all the sites you've created or are working on. Navigating to your dashboard gives you an overview of your projects, making it easy to select the one you wish to edit. Next, from your dashboard, select the site you want to edit and open it in the Carrd editor. This editor is the heart of your customization work, where you can adjust various elements to fit your design needs. Now find the text element you wish to modify. In the Carrd editor, just click on it. Doing so will bring up a panel on the left hand side of your screen, offering a variety of options to tweak and refine your text to perfection. Focus your attention on the Appearance tab within this panel. You can spot it easily because it's represented by a paintbrush icon. Clicking on this tab brings you to the Font Styling section, where you can access a wide range of settings to modify your text's appearance. Here's where the magic happens. The section related to font styling includes the font size adjustment feature. Within this section, you'll observe a slider dedicated to font size. This intuitive slider allows you to increase or decrease the text size to your liking. Simply drag it along until you find the perfect size that suits your design vision, satisfied with how everything looks. Once you've adjusted the text size to your preference, remember to click on Done. This confirms and saves your changes. It's a crucial step to ensure that all your hard work is captured and reflected on your live site. And there you have it, you've just successfully learned how to change text size in Carrd. By adjusting the text size, you enhance not only the readability, but also the overall aesthetic of your page. Remember, the design of your site is a key tool in making a striking first impression, so take your time to get it just right. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the steps of customizing text size in Carrd. Feel free to explore other customization options available in Carrd and make your site uniquely yours. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tips. Happy designing!